children. Welcome you all in class of social science, and today I'm going to start 8th chapter of your book, which is the clothes we wear. Fine. So as chapter's name is the clothes we wear, so here we will discuss about different types of clothes we wear in India. Okay, and why do we need clothes? What is the requirement for it? And why do we wear different clothes in different occasion in different states? So we are going to cover all these things in this chapter. So let's start from the beginning. Let's talk about early men. What did they wear? Yes, early men. Did they wear anything? No, because they don't have that sense of wearing clothes. They don't feel that necessity to wear clothes. They don't have that sense of shame initially. That's why they don't wear clothes. And then further, initially they were like animals, as animals don't have shame or don't feel to wear anything like that. And then further, they've started feeling a bit shame. Then they started using big leaf of different plants like a banana tree. So those leaves are big, so they use that and to tie with some kind of string just to cover themselves, their body. Fine. Then further they started feeling need of clothes, some kind of clothes. So what is the reason? Why do we need clothes? Here we have two reasons. One is to protect our body from different seasons, like from in summers we need to protect our body from heat, hot sun rays, and in winters we need to protect our body from cold waves. Fine, because we need to keep our body warm, and in rainy season we need to keep our body safe from rain so that we don't get wet. That's why in different season we need different type of clothes. This you know that all these dresses and clothes are related with climates. That's why we say that clothes are related with climate. Why? Because in different season we need different kind of clothes. In summers you prefer cotton. Why? It absorbs your sweat. It is very cool in its nature. So whatever heat is generating in your body, it easily get transferred from cotton to outside environment. Fine. And in winters, what do we prefer? We prefer woolen clothes. Fine. That kind of clothes which can keep you warm. Fine. And in rainy season we need some special kind of clothes which can save us from water, from rain. Fine. And also we need protection from different kind of insects. If we will wear clothes, then insect will not directly come in contact of our body. Fine. That's why we need clothes. So this is the one thing, why do we need clothes. And the secondary thing is, we don't need only clothes to protect ourselves, because we are part of this civilized society. What do you mean by civilized society? Means a society which is governed by some kind of rules and regulation and laws. So if we are part of this society, as we are social animal, you know this word, all of us are social animal, means we are part of this society. So we have to follow all these laws and all these rules and regulation what are framed by this society. So because we are civilized people, so we have to be dressed up decently. Fine. That's why in school, how do you come? In uniform, just to show you that you are civilized people, you are good and obedient student of our Singhania. That's why you are coming in a neat and clean and well ironed dress, uniform. Fine. So these are the two reasons why do we need clothes. See, needs for clothes to protect us from different seasons and from insects too. And second reason is we are part of civilized society. So now I think meaning of civilized society must be very clear to you. Secondary thing. Okay. Do we wear same type of clothes in every season? No. This you know, in every season we want different type of clothes. Okay. Then do we wear same type of clothes in every occasion? No. From occasion point of view, we need different type of clothes. As in a school, you need uniform. While you are going to bed, you need your sleeping suit. Fine. And while you are going outside, you need some western wears. Yeah, if you are at your home, then you need your casual wears. So according to different occasion, we need different clothes. This is one thing, that the requirement of clothes according to different occasion. Coming on the second thing, need for different clothes according to number 1, climate, and number 2, tradition. Yes, here these two are also major factor. Why do we need to wear different clothes? So coming on the first one, climate, you know very well. I explained you in detail. For different climate means in summers we need different clothes, in winters we need woolen clothes, and in rainy season we need a special type of coats like gum boots or rain suits that you need. Fine. Now come on tradition. Yes, different tradition, different Indian tradition. According to that, we need that type of clothes only. Fine. As Hindu wear different type, have different type of dressing sense. Muslims have a different type of dressing sense. So in the same way, different people wear different kind of clothes. So as you know that we need different clothes for different tradition and for different climate. Okay, let's see here Indian traditional dresses. Why do we need different traditional dresses? We will discuss here. Firstly, you know one thing, that India is a vast country. Yes, India is a vast country. We know it very well. And you know that in India we get variety of food. In that chapter, the food we eat, we have already covered these things, that we get variety of food in India. Okay, how do you get variety of food in India? Because in India, in different states, we have different climate, means variety of climates we have. Fine. And every state has a different temperature, different soil, means variety of soil we have, variety of temperature we have, variety of rainfall rate we have in India, and that's why we have variety of crops in India. Fine. And these variety of crops give you raw material for your clothes. Like which crop gives us raw material for clothes? Cotton, jute, and silk. These are few things, means with the help of this raw material we get cotton clothes, silk clothes, or jute bags. Fine. So variety of crops are reason for getting the variety of clothes. And so because of this hierarchy, because we get variety of food in India and we have variety of climate in India, that's why we get variety of crops in India, and so in that way we get variety of dresses. In different state we wear different dresses. When we talk about India, then yes, in different state we have different kind of culture. We have so that's why we wear different kind of clothes and dresses. So in this chapter we will discuss all these things in detail, that in which state we wear which type of clothes, and those dresses are named differently in that state. Fine. So we will cover all this in next video. Till then, goodbye.